So you guys probably clicked on this video because you want to make your A90 Supra a little bit louder. You already have a Catless downpipe, but you don't want to remove the whole valved exhaust. An option you have, and this is an option I just took recently, is you get a Resonator delete. It's about $400. They remove this big resonator, and it adds that little bit of more depth, a little bit more gurgle to your exhaust. So this is the resonator. With this removed, it does add about 5 to 10 horsepower. It's nothing crazy. It just kind of gives it a bit more free flowing, and you get this really nice depth and tone in your exhaust. I'll have some revs, some cold starts, both with the valves open, valve closed, and some downshifts and flybys, just to give you guys a good understanding whether or not you want to do a resonator delete on top of a Catless downpipe. Again, I chose this because I didn't want to get a full exhaust and I like the valves, so hopefully this will help make decisions for you guys watching the video.